Hey everyone, it's Raven. Welcome back to the nest. What I'll be doing for today's video is setting up my cash envelopes for the upcoming week and getting those all squared away. If you watched my paycheck budget video from yesterday, you will know that I went ahead and zeroed out my cash envelopes already and to get them prepared and everything for this video. So if you want to kind of see what I zeroed out at, go back and check out that video, but I will also mention it in this video as well. So if you are interested in seeing me stuff my cash envelopes for the week, stay tuned. So we're gonna go ahead and stuff our cash envelopes for the week. I cannot remember the exact amounts that I had left over in each of these envelopes from the past week, but I do go over that in more detail in my paycheck budget video from yesterday, so definitely go watch that. But I do remember in totality I had $65 left when I combined the leftover amounts for all of the envelopes. So that is what we have left over. Still haven't decided what I'm going to do with the leftover amounts yet, but more to come on that when I figure out what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and start with our first envelope, which is going to be gas. Exciting update on gas, at least it's exciting for me. I will be going back to my original gas allotment. I'm no longer doing my weekly travels to and from West Memphis, Arkansas. However, it may pick back up again in a couple of weeks. I don't know yet, but for the time being, I'm just happy to be back down to my regular, gas allotment. So let's go ahead and look at our tracker sheet here. So you see on the 9th, I had a deposit of $60. Where's my little pen so I can point? You see I had a deposit of $60 on the 9th. And then I got some gas that same day, and then I got some gas again a couple days later, which zeroed me out. Then we're gonna move on, and the only reason why I'm going back to the 9th because I think the last time I did this video was on the 9th. I don't think I did one for last week, so that's why I went back to the 9th. So then I had my deposit on the 16th, which was last Friday, for my regular $60. And then I got gas for $30. And actually last week was my last time going to West Memphis. So that's why I don't have another gas purchase again after the 16th, because after I went for the last day, which I think was Monday of last week, I didn't go back again. So I reconciled out the $30 that I had left over, and we are here on the 23rd where we will be putting in our $40, because I was previously budgeting $120 a paycheck for gas, which gave me $60 each week. So now I'm back down to budgeting $80 per paycheck, which means it's going to be $40 each week. So that is what we're going to stuff our envelope with. We're going to stuff with $40. So I'm going to add that here, and that's going to bring our total in this envelope to $40. So we stick that back in there, and we're going to grab just two 20s here. So there's our $40 for gas. Set that over there. So then we have, moving on to food, we are actually going to deposit $80 into food. Oh, and by the way, I have not ate out once in like a week and a half. That is like, this is amazing for me. I have not ate out in about a week and a half. So all of my purchases for food were grocery purchases. So what we're going to stuff for food is going to be $80. So that is actually going to be the last two 20s, and that will be two 10s. And then I think we take all the 5s for food. Yeah, we take all the 5s for food. So let us add up and make sure that we have our correct dinero. So it's going to be 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. All right, so there's our $80 for food. And that's going to be for the week, because I stuff these once a week, so that's for the week. And then personal, I only stuff, I'm putting both these together, I only stuff home and personal once per paycheck budget. So this is not stuffed on a weekly basis. It's pretty much stuffed like twice a month, because I typically get paid twice in a month. So these are only stuffed, like I said, twice a month. So for personal, we will be putting in our usual $25. So I'm going to pull out 2 10s and then 5 5s. So I'm going to pick that up. Hopefully it's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5 1s, and then our 2 10s. It's going to be $25. Okay. That's 25 for personal, and it is stuffed, ready to go. Next, home, we're going to do the exact same thing for home as we did for personal. It's going to be $25. So we have the 2 10s and then the 5s. I just want to make sure this is 5 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Money is so raggedy and dirty. I just can't. So that's our $25. Oh, and let me go ahead and write on my ledgers. I didn't do that for the other two. Y'all got to keep me straight now. We added in 25. Alright, so that gives us our $25 in there. I need to go back and put that in the other two. So y'all got to start keeping me straight now. Let me fill out the personal ledger. That's going to be $25. $25. Alright, so it looks like we are good to go. Alright guys, so these are my cash envelopes. They are stuffed and ready to go for the week. I am thinking about picking up maybe some new envelopes. I've been kind of looking at different ones on Etsy. I definitely can't make the purchase until August because I am of course doing no by July. So I've just kind of been perusing and seeing maybe which ones I want to buy come August 1st, because I am kind of almost tired of these designs here. I kind of want something a little bit more chic and minimalist looking, if that makes sense. So I'm definitely looking in the market for some new envelopes. So I've kind of been looking around, like I said, on Etsy, primarily on Etsy. I haven't really been looking anywhere else. I probably could try a couple other places too though, but definitely I've been looking on Etsy for some. If you know of some cute cash envelopes, like I said, some that's kind of like minimalist but kind of chic looking, you know, just really, y'all, I think y'all kind of have gathered my style at this point. So these are just kind of a little too busy for me, and I just used them because that's what I had on hand. Like I said, I got these in the wallet that it goes with as a gift, so I had it readily available, so I said why not use it. But like I said, it's kind of really not my style. It's just a little busy. So if you have any suggestions of some cash envelopes, definitely put them down below in the description box. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you do not miss any more of my videos. Thanks guys. Peace.